All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back for another day. Right before we left school, we were working on our dance unit. As we know, dancing can be great exercise. This dance is called Crazy Bird. There's 4 parts to this dance. I'm going to teach you them right now. All right? First parts, we're going to start with our right foot. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, tap, back, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap, back, 2, 3, tap. Next, we're going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. Right, 2, 3, clap, clap. Left, 2, 3. Right, 2, 3. After that, we're going to act like a crazy bird, and we're going to do that for 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then after that, we're going to spin for an 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? And after that, you just repeat. Follow along with me, and let's have some fun. Right. Two, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Back, 2, 3 to the left. Right. And left. And right. And bird. That's 2. That's 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap, back, 2, 3, tap. All right, everybody. Hope you had some fun today. Hope you enjoyed that. Get up, get moving, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.